Figure 6 shows an electronic circuit. A. Using an appropriate computer software, draw the circuit. B. Using Figure 6, create a PCB layout for the circuit in A. Print your work and hand over the hard copy. There are several electronic design software, but today we will use Proteus Design Suite. So let's create a new project and name it 2022 Figure 6 PCB Layout, and create a new folder on the desktop and name it 2022 Figure 6 PCB for easier location and identification. We shall use the default settings on schematic layout, but for the PCB layout, we shall adjust the number of layers to 1, because this circuit is not complicated. Note that it is important to know and understand the symbols of electronic components. On the Schematic tab, we click on the components icon, the triangular icon on the left pane, and click on the blue letter P so that we can search and place our electronic components. On the search bar, search 1K resistor and select 0.6 watt metal film, and choose one of your desired resistor. For our case, we need a resistor valued at 1K. Double-click on it. Repeat the same for all other components. Place and arrange all the components as per the given schematic diagram. Rotate these resistors. Place the transistors. After placing and positioning all the components, click on the pointer on the left pane and begin wiring the circuit. Now it is time to print the schematic diagram. Click on File, then Print Design. On the dialog box, right-click on the circuit and position the schematic on the center of the page, then choose your actual printer. For our case, we are going to print it in Microsoft PDF. Click OK. And finally, we save it with a desired name and path. We now locate our file and open it. Wow, it looks good, isn't it? We now proceed to the PCB layout. Click on the PCB tab and on the left pane, click on Operational Amplifier symbol and begin placing the components manually. If you want to use an automatic placer, first draw your shape and change its layer to board edge. After manually placing all the components, we draw a rectangle and right-click on it, then change the layer to board edge. We then insert text. Figure 6 PCB layout. Then we change its layer to top silk. We now print the layout. On the dialog box, right-click on the image and position the image at the center. Click OK. Save with your desired name and path. We save ours on the desktop 2022 Figure 6 PCB folder as Figure 6 2022 PCB layout. Navigate the saved file and open it. Wow, and that is all. If you find this video useful, kindly like and share.